Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today I will show you how to change Etsy language. Let's open Etsy application on our device and go to Profile Picture in the top right corner of your screen and then go to Settings. Now we want to enter Language section right here and then tap Continue button and go to Language line and finally select your preferred language. For example, let's change to Spanish, and if I go back to my Etsy application, I can see that I have all in Spanish. So that's how you can change Etsy language. I hope you find this video helpful, and if so, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content just like this.